Hello, ladies and gentlemen. I am at Skidaway Island State Park, and I am about to go on a scavenger hunt with you. I am dressed appropriately for the weather today. It is crazy hot. I also have my insulated backpack, and inside I have a couple of snacks and lots of water. And then I've got my map, got my ID also. So I'm ready to go. I'm going to be taking this big ferry trail, and it is about a 3-mile loop. And gonna see if I can find everything on the scavenger hunt list, which is right here, and you have a copy too. So it's always a good idea, if you're going on a scavenger hunt, make sure you look at everything you need to find first. Then when you find it, you know you can check it off. All right, here's the beginning of the trail. Let's go. I'd like you to see that I have already found one item on the scavenger hunt, and here's the funny thing. I just started. But see that right there? I would call that a fallen branch. Almost call that a fallen tree. And right there, fallen branch. Check. And let's keep going. Definitely have found water. But even better than the puddles in the middle of the trail, there's water right along beside me. I think I'll go around this one. He just crossed right in front of me. Oh my gosh. Looking right at me, I think. See if I take a step. Look at that, that is so cool. I don't think he's anywhere on here. Nope, but that sure was awesome. You know what? Since I forgot a pen or a pencil, I'm just going to poke holes in what I found. Well, that plan didn't go quite as well. So I might have to find a stick to do that. Oh, check out what I found. There's another one. Now, one thing I love about this trail is that it's very clearly marked. Do you know what it's called when you come to two directions? It's called a fork in the road, and I'm gonna take the right. I'm pretty sure that this one right here, see if I can get my finger in the picture, this is a weed because it has got stickers all over it. So we're going to count that as a weed on our scavenger hunt. There we go. Oh, and I bet something's not far away. Right underneath it. Pine cones. Watch out! But you know what? Look how flat that tree stump is. Somewhere on here. Oh, there it is. Something flat. Oh, what's this? Huh. I don't really want to see a bobcat while I'm walking, okay? Luckily, there's not one just standing here. Whew. Okay. It is absolutely beautiful back here and peaceful. And can you hear the bird off in the background? There's lots of them. It's like they're talking to each other. All right. Oh, there's one up ahead of us too. This is awesome. I love hiking. Have you gone hiking before? Don't go hiking alone. I'm an adult. I'm on a marked out trail, and there's other people on this trail too. And I have people who know where I am, but you always need to go with other people, especially a grown-up. But it is so cool. One thing that I definitely do is I stay on the trail. I mean, I might veer off to one side or the other, but I stay on the marked trail. And you always leave it, what do they say? No footprints behind. In other words, if I drink my water, I'm not going to leave my water bottle behind. I'm not going to change nature while I'm out here. So let's keep going. Where'd you go? Oh, oh. Can you see it? Can you see it? Wasn't even looking for this. There was a big old lizard here just a second ago. Oh, I hope you can see that. That is a spider web. Ha! And look, spider web. Dang, they're fast. I don't know what it was. There's a squirrel up in that tree. Can you see him? See if I can zoom in. There he is. Ooh, check out these mushrooms growing. Look at that big old tree that's down. Wow. And look, you can tell that they've had to work because another tree came down and all the pieces over here, it must have blocked the trail. Oh, now this is cool. The root system of a tree. This is what we don't see under the ground. This is the root system that was holding up that big giant tree that we just saw. And look at that big old hole in the ground. Wow. Okay, this is not something that thrills me right here though. Can you see the bug crawling on my arm? He's not flying though, but I'm getting him off. Here's another one that probably blocked the path. Look how big or round they are, y'all. Here, let me show you the size. This is why I think they're huge. Look at that. That comes up to my knee. And y'all know how tall Coach Jackson is. Do you see him? Look right in front of us. Ha! There he is. Hi, little guy. Hey, do you have any acorns that I could take a picture of? I need an acorn. I don't see any acorns. Where'd you go? Oh, playing hide and seek. Oh, we're coming up to another marker. Oh wow, ground changed. Just so you know, Coach Jackson is ducking a lot. So sorry if the camera's going up and down. Are these flowers? Nope, that's litter. And guess what? It's on my list of things. Piece of litter, pick it up too. Done. Oh, look what's this way. Ooh, that looks like a great photographic moment. Moving on. I see another loop ahead. Nature sure is good at hiding. Oh, that's good. I don't think I was ever that good at hiding. Did you see the bug? I saw a flying bug. I don't know if you saw the flying bug, but I saw the flying bug. I am marking that off. Oh, check this out. You see that stick right there? I just remembered. Where did it go? Crooked stick. Check. So I found this sign, and I'm looking at my map, and it looks like we're at the end, and I see a trail that goes that way. But when I go past this sign, there's nothing on that side. So I'm pretty sure I'm not supposed to go that way. So I'm going to go where the sign points me. I figure they've got those signs there for a really, really good reason. Do you know what that reason is? It is to keep us safe. There's another sign. Definitely a warning. And you know what? See this map? Do you see right there where it says number 4? Do you know what that little symbol is? Let's see if it tells us down here on the key what that symbol is. Sorry, did you see that? Right there. There's a bridge. And guess what? I see a bridge up ahead. So I am going the right way. Oh, now what is this? Awesome. So look at that. That's like a defensive line right there. That's pretty awesome. Excuse me. Made it to the bridge. Look at that. Wow. Look at the roots on that one. Those are taller than Coach Jackson. Wow. Boys and girls, I didn't get my camera ready in time. There was a deer right there. He saw me and ran the other way. That's number 2. That's so cool. I wonder if I'll see him again. There he is. There he is. There he is. I'm trying to move really slow so he doesn't freak out. I'm not gonna hurt you, little guy. I just want your picture. Oh, shoot. Where'd he go? I can't even see him. There you are. Did you see him wag his tail? Okay. I'm gonna keep moving, although I could stay here and watch. Oh, that is so awesome. You know what? That's gonna be my special treasure. Down here on this scavenger hunt, where it says special treasure for you, getting to see 2 deer that close, that's my special treasure. Sorry, gotta show you this. Look, it's an L for Langston lions. Ha! Oh, I know this was on our list. Look, it's somebody's shoe print, and I know it's not mine. You know how I know? God, my foot's much bigger than that. Cool, another one to check off. Okay, I just got to take a shot of this tree, because I don't know how many of you are into Harry Potter, but for some reason, this tree right here reminds me of, oh, what is it called? The Weeping Willow? No. I can't think of what it's called. I'm going to have to look that up. But the tree that like wallops around. Hey, I know where we are. Look, I remember this bench. In fact, I'm going to stop right here and take a little break. Looky here, boys and girls. There goes a dog. Pretty dog, too. Okay, so I'm taking a break on this bench, and I wanted to show you I'm definitely drinking my water. I've got my snacks. Now, not everybody brings the same snacks, but it's me. I always bring veggies that are okay in a pack. Even though my pack was insulated, I didn't want to bring anything that would, like, you know, go bad on the hike. And I always bring something crunchy. I bring veggies. I bring like a carbohydrate, so I brought my gluten-free pretzels. But I also like sweets. So I put in, I don't know if you can see them, just a few milk chocolate chips in there. Because that just kind of gives you the energy. Keep going. And I always bring a protein bar. I bring a protein bar because protein gives you sustained energy. That means it's going to last a long time. Carbs give you quick energy. Like, woo, ready to go. But then that wears off. Protein gives you energy to last a long time. And I got to make it all the way back out of the woods. I can't just stay here. So I'm going to eat my snack, drink my water, check my map, check my scavenger hunt, and then we'll get going again. All right? Here we are on the map. Let me show you right here. Well, now I'm shadowing it. Here we are. There we go. On the map, we are right here. Right where the earthworks loop starts. So we're right there. We just got to get all the way back. And here's what we have not found. We have not found acorns. Have not seen flowers anywhere. Oh, I forgot to check off footprint. We found that. Haven't seen an animal print. Maybe I should look more. Saw birds, but couldn't tell if any were blue. Have not seen a bird nest. Something bumpy. Well, those mushrooms were kind of bumpy, but I'll keep looking. And saw a dog, but he wasn't white. All right, let's go. Going the right way because look, that's where I had my picture taken. You know, the trail is pretty bumpy. I think I'm going to count that for my bumpy stuff. And look up here. Look. Right there. Let me see if I can get a better shot. How close can I get? Right there. I would almost guarantee that's a bird's nest right there. And this is what happens when you forget to put the cap back on your water bottle. At least I'm cooler now. Ooh. Oh my gosh, I want you to see that. Its call is often written, "Who cooks for you?" Y'all, I learned that in the 6th grade. That was how we learned how to speak like an owl. We had to say, "Who cooks for you? Who cooks for you?" 6th grade, I learned that. Oh, wow, that sure is pretty though. Look at that. Looks like another bridge up ahead. So let's see where we are on the map. We're coming back. That was where we split. We went this way. Oh, and there's a bridge. It looks like we're going to come up to another marker here soon. Let's see if we can find marker number 5. What does that say? Saltwater sloth. Ooh, and an observation tower. Oh, I'm pretty sure I see that observation tower. Hope I'm allowed to go out on it. All right, so here's our fork in the road. Another big giant tree, but look here to the right. Oh, this is cool. All right, see if we see any of these. I think the only things we have not found on our scavenger hunt are acorns, a white dog, and animal prints. Oh, and a bluebird. Haven't seen a blue bird, but I didn't think I was going to see flowers either, and I finally did, so maybe we'll get lucky. What is that? Is that an acorn? I'm going to have to look that up, because there's an oak tree. Maybe that's an acorn. Okay, now, is it just me? Or does this seem like a place where Shrek would live? Sure looks like a great place for Shrek to me. Oh, I think I see where I started. What does this say? Yep. You remember? I went that way. I wonder. Yep, here comes the puddle. Think I'll walk over here. Wearing my nice sneakers, which is probably not a smart plan for going hiking, just for the record. We are almost back to the beginning, and my battery on my phone is almost dead. See if we can make it before it dies. And we made it right back where we started. Oh, gotta go throw that trash away. We made it, boys and girls. How about that? Did the whole hike. Found almost everything. Almost everything. Acorn, I checked it off, but I need to make sure that was an acorn. Never saw an animal print. Never found a bluebird. Didn't find a white dog. But I still think it should count that I found a dog. And other than that, we found pine needles, pine cones, flowers, weeds, spider web, footprint, flying bug, special treasure. I will never forget those deer. Bird nest, bench, something flat, something bumpy, piece of litter, already threw it away. Crooked stick, fallen branch, water, and I'm counting a dog. I hope you had fun. And now you have your own, and you have a couple of options, and you know what? You could change it before you started it. Maybe you want to scratch out the word that says white and just find a dog. Maybe you just want to find a bird. Maybe you just want to find a bug. Make it fun for you and enjoy your hike. I love going out in nature. I hope you do too. All right. Love y'all. That's an I love you sign with my little stick, which I'm going to leave in the woods. Boop. Because that's where it belongs. Leave only your footprints. Check in with y'all later.